Alright guys, I just wanted to do a quick little video here. A friend just dropped this by earlier today, and it's a little cat house. Made it for two cats. It was just out of scrap wood and some other projects that he built. Made it so the top comes up. Got two sections here. You can use it for, either two different cats, like sleeping areas, or like us. We decided to use one side for food. And when it gets warmer, we'll probably put water in there. Right now, we just freeze. It's winter time. The other side, a blanket. There's one of our cats right there, as you can see. Decided to do this recording because I think this is just a really good idea. Maybe if you have some barn cats or something like that, that you would like them to have a decent place to sleep, or, covered area for food and something like that. A good idea might be to have like a little heating blanket on each side or something like that. Heated water bowl. If you had a heated water bowl, you'd probably have it in here. And if you do choose to build it yourself, I'm going to go over the dimensions of this thing. We'll go ahead and do the width here. If we'll try to get the camera to focus. I'm doing a very good job. We'll say 33 and a half. We can go 34 inches. And then the top's angled, so I'm going to go along the side here. That's 18 inches there. Then we'll go to the back. Looks like about a foot. There we go. About a foot. And the front, about 14 inches. And then each hole is looking, we'll call it 5 inches. And that's big enough. You see our little one there. And then we got our, one of our full grown cats. He's not all that big, but he's got his winter coat on. The other one, we have like a Siberian forest cat or something like that. There we go. There's our chunky forest cat there. Pretty big guy. Not sure if he'd fit that easily in there, but yeah, there you go. There's all three of them. There, and there. During the summer, you can always, prop the lid open a little bit to get some airflow through there. A little shaded spot. We have ours here on the porch, mainly just because there's no paint on it. We might paint it, coat it somehow, and put it outside. I'm not sure yet. But anyways, yeah, it's a neat little box. I'm really grateful that he did it. And so are the cats. Until next time, keep kicking up dust.